What's going on, guys? Okay, day 2. Going to work again. मस्त मौसम हो रहा है भाई. आज थोड़ा काम के बाद एक थोड़ी सी राइड पे निकलूँगा. मैं गेड़ ही मारते हुए आऊँगा घर वापस आज मस्त आराम से. टुडे इज़ जस्ट अ डे. लाइक आज मैं अपने पेपर वर्क्स एंड ऑल दैट से कैचअप करता हूँ पूरे वीक के. और टुडे आई एम टेकिंग साउथ किंग्स वे इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग माई रेगुलर राउट, बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गया हूँ काम के लिए आज. तो अब थोड़ा टाइम है तो राइड कर लें, थोड़ा सा मज़े ले लें भाई. यू नो हमने कौन से पाप किए हैं. क्या मस्त टनल है यार ये. दैट्स इट. और आप लोगों का क्या हाल है? सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है होपफुली. कुछ वैसे भी नॉर्मल कुछ डिस्कशन कर लेंगे, है नहीं. सो एक टॉपिक बहुत शुरू से मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क मी, इज़ इट वर्थ स्टडीइंग इन कैनेडा एंड विल आई बी एबल टू pay off my student loan? So it's a great topic, and yes, you can pay off your student loan, but उसके लिए उसके पीछे बहुत सारा स्ट्रगल है. एंड बाय स्ट्रगल आई मीन बोलने में कुछ नहीं आता. जैसे बोलने में मैं भी बोलता रहता हूँ कि यार 6 पैक ऐप निकाल लूँगा, बॉडी बना लूँगा. एंड यू नो फैंटेसाइज करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये सब कुछ. फैंटेसी में ना आपको लगता है कि येस यू कैन डू इट, येस यू कैन डू इट. अरे ये कौन सी बाइक है? CBR लग रही है, वैसे निंजा भी हो सकती है 66. सो यस, इमेजिन करने में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, ईजी भी लगती हैं. और आपको लगा कि हाँ मतलब व्हेन यू कैलकुलेट आवर्स बाय मनी एंड ऑल दैट, यू नो इट ऑल साउंड वेरी फीजिबल. सो लेट मी जस्ट ब्रेक इट डाउन फॉर यू. 20 आवर्स अ वीक, $14 पर आवर के हिसाब से लगाते हैं. एंड so basically you're doing 80 hours a month. That's your work and allowance for on study permit. So 40 hours a week gives you about 40 times 40 is 140 is sorry 40 times 14 is $560. कट कुटा के मिलते होंगे आपको से $450 या $460. ठीक है. इन हैंड आपके आए ऑल इन 4 weeks रफली अबाउट $890 कुछ डॉलर्स. ठीक है. सो जैसे से यू मेड $1,000, $800 to $1,000 अ मंथ. उसमें से $670 विल बी योर GIC. सो GIC प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन पेइंग ऑफ योर लोन. So unless you have taken a loan for GIC also, so that's a different story. So $670 वो आ गया. So the total comes to $1,670. ठीक है. And out of that your monthly expenses range up to what do you call it, $1,000 a month. So you can only save up your GIC. But in some cases, students make more money, like they make $18 to $20 an hour. So in those cases, you might be able to. So right now, with this kind of scenario, when you make minimum wage, you only are able to save up roughly $600 to $700. Say you cut down like $100 from your monthly expenses. So you're able to save $670 based on minimum wage. But most of the people will be able to find a job that pays more than that, you know. So let's just assume you're able to save somewhere between $600 to $670, $700 to $1,000 a month. Let's say $800 to $1,000 a month. ठीक है. Within a year you'll be able to save. Per semester fees is like 8,000 something per student. So you can only save up your per semester fees. But उसके अलावा बहुत सारे और भी तरीके, जैसे कि Uber Eats and all that, जिसमें कि आप यू कैन सेव मोर. ये CBR है 600. So your savings go up, and at the same time you'll have to do some sacrifices in the sense cutting out on going out shopping. क्योंकि यार as you know, a lot of students when they watch all these Instagram celebrities, influencers, and the reason why they are moving to Canada, some of them are moving just because they think यहाँ पे iPhone बहुत easily मिल जाता है, Mustang मिल जाती है, it's more affordable. Yes, it is. A lot of these things are depreciating assets, so instead of making you money, they cost you a lot of money. So मैं भी इसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा हूँ भाई के साथ. So make sure you spend your money wisely and spend only what you need. Don't buy anything stupid, you know. Buy like things that are really important to you. Don't just, unless like it adds value to your life, don't buy a car or a motorbike or anything like that in the beginning, because it's just gonna add so much burden on you financially. Since you're in Toronto mein everything is accessible by bus or train, and even if you plan to buy a car, like weighing it out in terms of like making money out of it, you basically end up losing a lot of money, you know, because when you drive Uber or anything like that, you are depreciating in your car value and everything, and per hour, like after cutting down fuel and insurance and all that, it's not really worth it. It comes down to $14-15 an hour, which you can make in any normal job, you know. There are so many jobs available that you don't need a car or motorbike or any kind of, you know, vehicle to get to it, because everything is accessible by streetcars, bus, subway, anything like that. यहाँ पे culture है कि people love going out to get coffee and, like, you know, so small expenses like that, coffee, some random snacks with friends, smoking, all these habits, you know, you have to cut down a lot, because all these habits, even though they might cost a little bit upfront, but in the longer run, like, so just giving an example, like one cup of coffee, a small cup of coffee usually costs around $1.60, and 4 liters of milk comes for around $4. So, you know, you can buy an instant coffee and like make a coffee for less than 16 cents at home, instead of going to Tim Hortons or anything like that. So the math, you know, you gotta do the math when it comes down to expenses, and also write down everything that you spend, and then that way you can say, like, you're having a hard time, like I did in the beginning. I was like, I'm making money, I'm doing 2-3 jobs, and I'm like, why am I not saving any money? So then I looked at all my expenses, and I'm like, oh, because I'm eating outside like 2 to 3 times a day, 2 to 3 times a week, and like more than that probably, and drinking coffee every day, you know, small things, smoking. So combine all these things, and you know, you end up with nothing at the end of your end of the month, you know. Once your rent is out, once your phone bill is out, you know, you end up saving like $100-200, which is not enough for you to sustain here basically. And at the same time, you gotta remember that you also have to save up money, and just in case you have to move places, you know, after your graduation, or like, you know, you have to move provinces, or you have to hire a lawyer. So saving money is a great way to go, even just for saving for your loan and whatever. So in most cases, yeah, people are successful in saving their education loan money, and I think it's great. It's a great start to something big, you know. Once you learn how to save up that kind of big amount, I think your life in future also, like when you start saving for your house, you already have a strategy in place, you know. Spend less, save more, save before you spend, and make sure everything you buy, oh, Ferrari, yeah, don't buy a Ferrari when you come here. So make sure you understand the concept of money, and like money makes money, you know. So eventually, once you have a big amount, you can start investing also when you are close to becoming a PR or whatever, like when you're close to buying your house. So that's it. So you are able to save up your cash and your loan and everything within your study period, but it takes a lot of sacrifices and effort, and it might sound easy, it might sound difficult, but it's doable, you know. That's what's more important. So every time you think, you know, kuch sale aa gayi hai, kuch aa gayi, don't get too tempted. जस्ट एवरी टाइम यू बाय समथिंग जस्ट लुक एट द थिंग एंड बी लाइक हे इससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा, कितनी सेकंड की खुशी मिलेगी. ऑफ्टन आई think about this scenario when I'm gonna sell all my shit and just live, have a bed, have a few clothes and just live my life like you know without clutter. कितना clutter हम लोग जमा करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. What's up motherfuckers? और ये क्या, वो भी ये गाड़ी देखियो,
ये बनाई हुई है,
बहुत सही है. ये क्या है?
इसकी डिग्गी जो है ना,
हाँ.
उधर वाले की गाड़ी का बोनट है.
ओह शिट.
जो ये पीछे गोल है,
हाँ.
ये कस्टमाइज करता है बंदा, यहाँ पे बनाता है. ये देख इधर ये ट्रक खड़ा है.
बाइक भी बना
देख
दिया.
देख इधर.
ओह शिट. ये क्या लग रहा है एंकर?
वो ट्रैक्टर है देख सामने.
भाई ये क्या आदमी है?
बाइक BMW.
इसने घर भी मेरे को लग रहा है अपना खुद ही बनाया था.
इसको ब्लैक पसंद है सब कुछ.
हाँ.
ब्लैक और ग्रीन.
हाँ. और ये कैसी बनाया था? शिट. क्या सही लग रही है ना.